Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Pittsburgh Unboxing, but it's not coming in a box. It came in a bag. This is an eBay item with, unfortunately, the back cover is slightly torn. This is Laptops for Dummies. Tells you more than you want to know about ancient laptops from the year 2006, Windows XP, and Vista. I understand Vista was terrible. So, and it's bent. I'm going to have to put some weight on it. But I read through this whole thing on the bus going to Walnut Creek today. Paid down some credit, went to Target, just did a haul video and a Fetch Points video for channel members. And you can be a channel member for $3.99 or $6.99 a month where you see content on a regular channel. Tomorrow I finally go to Kathy's. And I've been trying all week, but things have been getting in the way. So this is not a bad book. I'll figure a way to put some weight on it. This is another Dummies book. I've got about 200 of these now, so I really enjoy them. But I went through it and learned some things I didn't know already. So Dummies University. All right. Channel numbers: 1,550,118 views, 19,586 subscribers. Big winter storm to hit Texas in the next day or two. Earthquake swarms all over the place, including New Madrid, fairly large quake here in California and down south. So the earth is rocking with the coronal mass ejections. All right, have a good one. Stay warm, stay safe, stay prepared. Last night I had 7 blankets on me, counting the electric blanket, one underneath me, one on top of me. Woke up at 5:30, couldn't get back to sleep right away. 7:30, woke up again. Finally took all the covers put over my head. That's how I was able to go to sleep till 10 o'clock. All right, have a good one. Thanks for watching, and be safe. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this has been Pittsburgh Unboxing. Bye-bye for now. See you later.